Question 15, 32x to power 8 minus 162. Okay, so again, if it's not so obvious, apply that method. So you can say a squared is equal to 32x to power of 8 and b squared equals 162. So a would then be square root of 32x to power of 8. So we could have root 32 x to power of, that would be x to power of 4, because that would be 8 divided by 2. That's 8, but root 32 is basically 16 times 2, and root of 16 is 4, so that would be 4 root 2. If you're not sure, if you have 32 root, that would be root of 16 times 2, which is root of 16 times root of 2, and that will be 4 root 2. So that's 4 root 2 x to the power 4, that's A. And B is going to be, B will be square root of 162. 162 will be root of 81 times 2. And root of 81 is root 81 times root 2. Root of 162 is root 81 times root 2. And that would be 9 root 2. So we now know what B is. B is 9 root 2 and A is 4 root 2 x to the power 4. Now we can complete this by rewriting that as 32 x to the power 8 minus 162 will be equal to A is 4 root 2 x to the power 4 plus B 9 root 2, and again 4 root 2 x to the power 4 minus 9 root 2. Now what we can do is root 2 is a common factor here. So we'll take root 2 out. Root 2 is also a common factor times root 2 here. We'll take it out, common factor here. And then we have the square, which is 4 x to the power 4 plus 9. And here is 4 x to the power 4 minus 9. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. This is difference of 2 squared. That's not difference of 2 squared. This is difference of 2 squared. So we can say 4 x to the power 4 plus 9. But that one is going to be 2x squared. 2x squared minus 3, plus 3, and 2x squared minus 3. That's what this is. Because if you square root that, you're going to get 2x squared. If you square root that, you're going to get 3. So that's the answer to that. Okay, so you can see the process to apply. Always set this value to a squared and b squared.